I'm gonna do a love reading for this weekend. Love is in the air. No, it's not Valentine's Day, but I still feel like love is in the air. So let's get some messages. Get sensitivity and leadership. You're becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. And leadership, take charge of this situation. So you made changes recently in your life regarding, because you felt like you're becoming more sensitive to things maybe that people were saying or doing. Maybe in your relationship you made changes because you felt like you were becoming more sensitive to things that maybe you let go before. You didn't really make a big deal out of it, is what I'm getting. This may have caused a breakup. Breakup came out next. And then, looked at the bottom. What is the breakup regarding? Divine intervention. The divine may have even made you more vulnerable to things to show you so that you could open your eyes to things that were going on that you should not have been putting up with. Because it was something about your stability with this anchor. It was affecting maybe your emotional stability. And then we get reward and recognition. Maybe how you were being seen or how you felt you were being seen, or that with that reward that you just deserve better, or the divine showing you need to see that you deserve better. You need to be seen differently by someone who respects and honors you, is what I'm getting. Moving forward, now that you made these changes, with that reward and recognition and leadership, it does seem like you are headed this was a good move for you. This is a good direction. About the future, can I have something on that? Okay, the Hermit came in the reverse, so maybe you have been hermiting in the past or self-reflecting throughout this process. That's what you've been doing, okay? You've been within, and that's how the divine is able to speak to you and have you recognize what changes needed to be made, and to notice what's going on. It does not need to keep going on. Yeah. Wow. 10 of Wands and 4 of Cups together. That's what the divine was showing you. With that 4 of Wands, I get dissatisfaction, disappointment. 10 of Wands, carrying too much. I'm sorry, 4 of Cups, did I say, right? Disappointment, dissatisfaction. Because of the 10 of Wands, carrying too much responsibility, maybe even. I'm thinking even criticism, like some relationships, the burden is that someone who doesn't see you for who you are, all your beauty, all that you bring to the table, may be constantly criticizing you when they should have been uplifting you. Yes, And I ask for the future. So far, this is the past. Magician, thank you. Finally, I get the future. You're now able to manifest. Maybe you couldn't before, but now doors are opening for you, or you've cleared the way, so now you can see your manifestations, result of your manifestations coming in. Those seeds are finally popping up and fruitful. One more. That's it. Okay. King of Swords and Six of Swords. I'm getting like a lot of moving forward and taking charge. Leaving behind. With that Six of Swords, you're going forward, but you're also leaving something behind you. Maybe you had to embody King of Swords and become detached, a little bit icy maybe, you know, to leave this relationship behind you. That's what I'm getting to. And at the bottom we have Empress. Now that's what you are. And an Empress can manifest anything she wants. Beautiful. One final message for the Empress. Put reward and recognition back in this deck and see if it comes back up. This is her weekend read. One final message for the Empress. Thank you. Oh, healing. Your body, mind, and soul are in a period of deep healing right now. You're going through many transformations at once, and you're being asked to allow yourself to receive the healing you need with open arms and an open heart. And this may not be just for the weekend. This may be something that you do, you know, as long as healing can't be rushed. So you can be enjoying life and still healing. You know, healing can feel good. You could be out enjoying butterflies and sunshine, and that is healing. You know, a lot of people think healing means ouchies. No, healing can mean like, you know, what a relief. That's behind me. So with that, I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good weekend.